AI has significantly transformed the manufacturing sector, impacting various aspects of production, supply chain management, quality control, and overall operational efficiency. Here are some key ways AI has made an impact. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. 1. Predictive maintenance. AI analyzes equipment sensor data to predict machinery failures before they occur, enabling proactive maintenance to reduce downtime and improve production efficiency. 2. Optimized production processes. AI-driven systems optimize production lines by adjusting parameters in real time, improving productivity, minimizing waste, and ensuring quality standards are met. 3. Quality control and inspection. AI-powered vision systems detect defects in products during manufacturing, ensuring higher quality output and reducing the need for manual inspection. 4. Supply chain management. AI algorithms analyze data across the supply chain to optimize inventory levels, predict demand, streamline logistics, and enhance procurement processes. 5. Smart inventory management. AI helps in maintaining optimal inventory levels by analyzing historical data, demand patterns, and lead times, preventing stockouts and overstock situations. 6. Robotic automation. AI-powered robots and cobots, collaborative robots, perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency, increasing productivity and freeing up human workers for more complex tasks. 7. Energy efficiency. AI systems monitor energy consumption in manufacturing facilities, identifying areas for optimization and cost-saving measures to reduce energy waste. 8. Customization and personalization. AI-driven manufacturing enables mass customization by adjusting production processes to meet individual customer preferences and demands efficiently. 9. Safety monitoring. AI-powered sensors and systems monitor workplace safety, detecting potential hazards and ensuring compliance with safety protocols. 10. Decision support and analytics. AI analytics provide insights into production data, enabling data-driven decision-making to optimize processes, reduce costs, and enhance overall efficiency. However, challenges such as data security, the need for specialized workforce training, ethical considerations regarding job displacement, and maintaining a balance between automation and human labor are crucial factors that need to be addressed for the successful integration of AI in the manufacturing sector. Thank you.